Guitar lesson number 2. You're with Mr. Cameron, and if any of Mr. Greg's students happen to need this, hello to you as well. All right, so real quickly, this lesson video was going to be a quick whiteboard lesson from Keys of Joy Guitar Room. I brought my camera and everything I needed with me, except for the memory card for the camera. So plan B, this is a quick animation video. Due to time restraints, the audio samples are short, but you'll definitely get the idea. Also, in the interest of time, I played the guitar parts on the audio examples on synthesizer, but you will clearly get the idea of what it's supposed to sound like. Okay, so first in this video, one more review of Tablature Notation Basics tab. You might want to check the overview of your guitar. At the beginning of the book, we have some acoustic and some electric players. So look in the front of your book there and just go over the description of your instrument and stuff. It's a good review and might give you a different way of looking at the parts of your instrument and how that's all put together. Okay, moving on. Guitar strings are numbered as follows: thinnest to thickest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Definitely, when you're learning this, I agree it can be confusing that tablature notation looks backwards, especially when you look at it with the guitar neck and the tablature lined up like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, it definitely looks upside down when you are first learning it. But trust me, once you work with this for a while, your brain will just adapt and you'll see it the way it's supposed to be interpreted automatically before too long. Okay, now we're going to go over exercise 1 on page 17 of the Rock School Premier book, and also exercise 3, page 29. And when I say book, of course I mean they're all PDFs, but those are the page numbers 17, 29. Just one quick thought before we wrap it up with this next exercise. There's a lot going on visually in these exercises because some of them have the notation written in, as well as the name of the note and the tablature numbers. Just pay attention to the tablature numbers for now, the 0s, the 3s, the 2s, and don't worry about any of the other information that's on the page. It's there for a reason, but it could be confusing at first, so just pay attention to the numbers. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at that last bit on page 29, number 3. Again, in the interest of time, this is a short example, but it should get the idea across if you're having any doubts. So, here it goes, and we'll see you next time. Bye.